And with that, the 2025 season comes to an end. Good night.
The wages of sin is death. For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. Lahat daw po. Now, kung lahat makasalanan, lahat papuntang impyerno, sino nga'y mapupunta sa langit? Maraming Pilipino gumagawa ng kabutihan kasi inisip nila, do good works, you're gonna go to heaven. Yun po kabaligtaran sa Bible. Sabi sa Biblia, not by good works, para daw hindi tayo makapagyabang sa Diyos. Kung mapupunta sa langit ang taong mabait, di bakit pa bumaba si Jesus kung pwede rin naman gumawa lang tayo ng kabutihan? Pero very clear kay Jesus, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one will go to the Father in heaven except through me. So, lahat tayo rito papunta ng impyerno the moment kay panganak. So, hindi na question yung, pumunta ba ako impyerno? Papunta ka ng impyerno. Kung di nang ialam si God, John 3:16, for God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son. Kung di siya nag-intervene sa history ng mankind, lahat tayo papunta na rin naman ng impyerno. Kaya dapat magpasalamat tayo, sabi sa Bible, it is by grace you have been saved. It's only by grace kaya ka mapupunta sa langit.
The reason why Jesus came, yes, to set you free, but ultimately sabi niya, I came to do the will of my Father. The will of the Father is that you and me will be reunited with Him. Adam and Eve is the cause of our separation. Because of their sin entered the world, and we all fall victim. Lahat tayo na biktima ng ginawa ni Eva at Adam, because through one man, sin entered the world. So all of us are guilty of sin. And because of that sinful nature, in a way, we are enemies of God. We are never at peace with God. But thanks be to God, He did not waver. Hindi siya nagdalawang isip. Hindi niya pinagkait yung kanyang nag-iisang anak na si Jesus to die for you and me. It cost God His one and only Son. It's a gift. And we just have to receive it.